Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Joyce Ching at asawa nitong si Kevin Alimon, napakasayang ipinagdiwang ang 4th months old ng kanilang baby na si Olivia. Ito ay naganap sa Baguio kung saan sila ay nakabakasyon ngayon. Nakakatuwa dahil habang kinakantahan nila si baby Olivia ng happy birthday, ay napapangiti ito na sobrang ikinatuwa nilang mag-asawa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Galing, galing. Walang kadila. Happy birthday to you.
Good job, Tito Lance. Good job, Tito Lance.
Okay.